Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.9% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
A militant group in Nigeria's oil-producing Delta region has threatened to resume attacks amid rising insecurity and disagreements over the share of oil wealth communities should get. 250,000 British jobs are expected to be lost this summer from the winding down of the furlough scheme as businesses begin to pick up the tab for sidelined workers' wages. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, is expected to complete the process of a new allocation of special drawing rights, SDR, by the end of August.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 14:30 GMT. The U.S. 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 500 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 500 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.